In this video, I'm going to teach you how to create a database in Notion. This is perfect if you want to organize tasks, track goals, or manage projects all in one place. Let's get started. First, go to notion.so and log into your account. If you're new to Notion, you'll land on the home screen where you can see the Getting Started section. Then under Getting Started, click Add New to create a new page. This is where your database will live. Next, select the type of page you want. Either start with an empty page or pick a template like Projects or Task Tracker, which already includes database structures. After that, click Continue and then click Done once your page is set up. Notion will automatically create the page with the chosen database format. Now your database is ready. You can edit the name of your database, customize column titles like Task, Assignee, Date, and Status, and start entering your data immediately. Each row acts like its own page, allowing you to add detailed notes or attachments. And that's how to create a database in Notion the easy way. If this helped you get organized, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to How to Tutor for more beginner-friendly tutorials.
See you next time!